Sorry everybody, I had to remove some storage on my phone. What are you gonna do? Anyways, I got this cooked now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Rice is almost done. Sorry the video stopped, I apologize. Like I say, I don't know how to splice videos together yet. I really don't know how to do that. I wish I did. Somehow I gotta learn in the future. And I will learn. Okay, anyways. On to the cheese. Some cheese in there. Yeah, this is going to be the welfare slop. That's okay, welfare slop. Whip it all together here. Mix it up in this bowl. Might as well throw it all together in here and put it in the fridge. Slide all this into here now. Burn the beans a little because I wasn't paying attention. They're still okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Don't worry. Alright. That little bit there, I gotta put some hot water and some vinegar and let it soak. Just some water for now. Any vinegar in there because there ain't any oil in there. There's not even no grease in there. If there was a little bit of grease in there, then I would throw some oil in there. Alright, the rice is done. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful little rice cooker. The beauty of cooking rice with a rice cooker. Yeah. Alright. Now, I need my silicone glove here. Kind of funny, I've had this question asked many times. Do you cook? Do you cook at home? Of course I cook at home. Guess I don't look like somebody that will cook. Oh, I love to cook. Trying to get all this rice off here, I don't want to waste it. Whipping it together, whipping it together. Yeah, yeah. Sloppy meal, look at that. Beautiful. Do you know that rice is actually good for you? Did you know that? Now, I haven't been eating rice every day, but typically I do eat rice every day. I've always loved rice. Brown, white rice, wild rice. You name it. You name it. I like it. Now, just gotta plug my little food processor in here. Make sure she's gonna work here. Alright, now gotta install my one blade. Yeah, I gotta install my one blade. Okay, bear with me, resourceful Marcus, I'm still here, so this is going to be the second part of the video. Sorry, I don't know how to splice the videos together yet. Alright, shred. This way up, like that. That's the blade that goes in there to shred the cheese. And we put this in here like this. And we shred the cheese. Very simple. Yeah. You hear that jewel? That's a powerful little jewel. Maybe you'll add a little more. Yeah, maybe. What do you think? Should I add a little more cheese? Why not? Why not? That is one of my weaknesses. Cheese. Yeah, it is. It's actually a big time weakness of mine, but I try not to eat too much cheese because even a high quality cheese, too much, no bueno. Clog the arteries. I eat oatmeal every day for breakfast, and oatmeal actually is like a filter, cleans your arteries out. Believe it or not, oatmeal cleans your arteries out. Yes, it does. Alright, one more piece in here. In the food processor by Hamilton Beach. Alright. There, that's done now. Alright. Very good. Lid off. Now this is unplugged, okay? It's unplugged, don't worry. I'm not going to cut my fingers. It's okay, everyone. I'm not going to cut my fingers, believe me. The unit's unplugged. Remain calm, remain calm. Take the blade out. Okay, take the blade out. There we go. Okay. Slide this over here into this thing. I'm going to put all this stuff in the dishwasher. Okay. Slide this. Oh, this other blade has to come off. And this blade here, that blade is very sharp. That'll chop onions. Now this unit you cannot knead dough with it. Okay, this one the motor is not strong enough to knead dough with it, because if you try to do that, bye-bye unit. Then you'll burn the motor out. If you were to try to chop really tremendously hard blocks of cheese, yeah, then it's not going to do it. Then you'd have to get into some kind of a commercial unit like a Robo. There's a company named Robo. Commercial food processor, probably a couple grand, maybe $3 grand. So this one here, I've gotten my bang for my buck. Believe me, my bang for my buck. Under $40, and this little unit works tremendously. There, now I'm just putting the cheese, mixing it around, mixing it around. Believe it or not, this tastes yummy. Then if we want to add more cheese, we can add more cheese. Absolutely. And I don't eat cheese on a daily basis because, like I say, I don't want to go there. Now, this looks like a sloppy meal. Looks like there's boogers in there. Yeah, it looks like there's some boogers in there. You actually know that this is a very tremendously delicious meal. So don't knock it. Actually, you can knock it if you want. Go ahead. Whatever. Whatever. You catch my drift. There we go. Easy peasy breezy. Bingo bango. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off. I'm sorry that the video cut out on the first part. I apologize. See you again.